In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So the first step is to solve the white cross or the white plus sign. So we need to look for an edge that has white in it. This one, it has white in it, and then we're going to look at the other color of the edge, which is green. Now we're going to look for the green center, which is right over here, and we're going to match this green and white edge with the green center. We're going to match this part, the green part, with the green center like this, and then we're going to match the white part of the edge with the white center like this. We're going to do the same thing. Here's an orange and white edge, and here's the orange center. So if we just turn it like this, this orange part matches with the orange center, and we're going to turn it so this part matches with the white center. We're going to do it again. Oh, this red and white edge is already matched with the red center, so we're just going to turn it so the white part matches with the center. And then we're going to do the same thing with the blue. The edge is over here. We're going to take it out, and then we're going to put it back in its place. Then we're going to turn it, and now the white cross is done. Now that we solved the white cross, we're going to solve the whole white side of the cube and the first layer of the cube. So now we need to find a corner piece that has white in it. This corner piece has white in it, and now we're going to check the other colors of the corner piece, red and blue. So it belongs between the red and blue and white center pieces, so it belongs over here. So we're going to put this corner piece above the place where it belongs, and we're going to do 4 moves that will be the most important part of solving your Rubik's Cube. So the moves are, we're going to turn the right side up like this, and we're going to turn this top side to the left, right side down, and then this top side to the right. So up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right. So we're going to do this move until this corner piece is in the correct position. So now it's where it belongs, and we're going to find another corner piece that has white in it. So this piece has white in it. We're going to check the other colors, green and red, so it belongs over here. We're going to move it so it's above the place where it should belong. Up, left, down, right. Now it's in the correct place, and we have this corner which has white in it. It belongs over here. Put it above the place where it belongs. Up, left, down, right. And this corner belongs over here. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. So now we solved the white side of the cube and the first layer of the cube. Now we're going to solve the second layer of the cube. So now we're going to find an edge piece that doesn't have yellow in it. This doesn't have yellow in it. It has orange and blue, so it belongs between the orange and blue center pieces. It belongs over here. So we have this side of the edge, the front side of the edge, and it has orange in it. So we're going to match it with the orange center piece. So now it belongs over here. So now I'm going to do a move that requires some practice, but after you practice it a lot and memorize it, you will find it easy. We're just going to move it to the we're going to move this edge away. We're going to take this corner out, and we're going to also move this corner away, and then we're going to move this like this, move this side like this, and now we're going to move this edge away. And this pair needs to belong in this part, this slot. we need to take it out, put it over here, and then do it like this. Now again we need to find an edge piece that doesn't have yellow in it, this edge piece. So the front color of the edge piece is green, we need to match it, and then we're going to do that move again. We're going to move the edge away, take this corner out, and we're going to move that corner away, and we're going to match this corner with the edge, move that pair away. We're going to take the place where it belongs out, we're going to put it in like this. Now we're going to do it again. We're going to move this edge away, take this corner out, we're going to move that corner away, and we're going to match it like this. We're going to move it away, take this part out, put it in its place like this. Now we have another edge that has no yellow in it. It has green and red, and the front part, the front color green, is already matched with the green center, and now it belongs over here. But the problem is it belongs to the left. So I'm going to do another algorithm that you have to practice. We're just going to, instead of moving this edge to the left, we're going to move it to the right. It's the same algorithm that I taught you earlier, but it's just mirrored. We're going to just move it to the right, take this corner out, move this corner over there, and then we're going to match it like this, move it away, take this part out, and done. And you have solved your second layer. Now that we solved the second layer of the cube, we need to make a yellow cross. So there are three cases that you can get. One, we're going to ignore the corners for now. One is that you can get only the the yellow center, and no other yellow edge pieces are on top. So in case that happens, we're just going to move the front side clockwise like this. We're going to do that 4 moves that we did earlier: up, left, down, right, and then we're going to fix this. So it should look something like this. And the second case is you could get an L like this, a yellow L. So if you get this L, it should be like this, okay? This edge should be at the top, this edge should be at the left, and then we're going to do that move again. We're going to turn it clockwise, do that move, and then we're going to fix it. And now the third case is that there is a yellow line. If that happens, we're going to do that move again, clockwise. We're going to do that move and then fix it, and now we should have a yellow cross. Now that the yellow cross is done, we're going to align as many edge pieces as possible, at least 2. So we're going to align them. Only this is aligned, so it will not work. So if we turn it, these 2 are aligned, these 2 are not, these should be switched. So we have these 2 aligned, one of them has to be at the back and one of them has to be at the right, and we're going to hold the cube like this. But this might happen that the aligned edges are across from each other like this. This is aligned and this is aligned. So if that happens, you can do this algorithm from anywhere. So the algorithm is like this. We're going to do this. We're going to do that move I taught earlier. But right now we're going to, after we do this, we're just going to do this again. Instead of moving it to the left, and then we're going to put it back inside, and we're going to move it like this. And if you have done it correctly, all of the edges should align. And I'm now going to do it again to make it extra clear. Need to do that easy move, and instead of doing like this, we're going to turn it again, take it out, put it in, then do this. So after we aligned all of the edges, we need to look at the corners to see if they're in the right place. This is not in the right place. This is also not in the right place. This is also not in the right place. But this is on the right place. It's just not in the right position. This yellow should be over here. This should be over here, and this should be over here. So if all four of them are in the right place, then you have done this step. You can skip this part of the video. But if you only have one of them aligned, we need to hold it so this corner is in the top right corner, like this. And if none of them are aligned, you can do this step from anywhere. And this algorithm is really simple to do. Just going to move the top side to the left, up, right, up. Then we're going to do it again, but instead of moving it up, I'm going to move it down. I'm going to move to the right and down. So this one is still aligned, but the other one is not. So we have to do it again. Left, up, right, up, left, down, right, down. So now all of the corners are in the correct place. So now after the corners are in the correct place, we're going to flip these corners so they're in the right place, and we're going to solve the cube. So we're going to do another algorithm that requires 4 moves. I'm going to move it down like this, and this down side over here, like this, and this. I'm going to do it again. Move the left side down, the down side to the right, move the left side up, and the down side to the left. We're going to repeat this until the corner is in the correct place. Now we're going to solve this corner, and instead of rotating the cube like this, we're going to just move the top side like this. If we rotate the cube and do that algorithm, we will mess up the whole entire cube and you have to start again. We're going to do that algorithm. Left side down, down side to the right, left side up, down side to the left. We're going to do it again. Now it's in the correct place. Turn the top side, do that algorithm again, and then turn the cube, do that algorithm, and then we're just going to turn the top side of the cube, and you have solved your first Rubik's Cube. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to find more amazing videos like this, and turn on the post notifications so you get notified every single time I upload a brand new video.